Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make this beautiful wall hanging candle holder out of waste. So let's begin. So the things needed are cardboard, scale, cutter, foil, black paper, golden spray and the butterflies. We have made a video on how to make these origami butterflies, so the link will be in the description below. We'll first begin by taking a rectangular cardboard of length 16 inches and breadth 11 inches, and we'll mark 1 inch from the edge of the cardboard and draw a line. With the help of the cutter and scale, we will put a cut that's half into the cardboard so that it can be easier for us to bend. Make sure to not cut off the strips. We won't be needing the squares at the 4 corners, so you can cut that off. Since we gave a light cut, it became easier for us to bend it. Now we'll tape it into a frame. Now that it's done, we will take the foil and crumble it to give it good effect. Now that we have crumbled the foil, we will flatten it and stick it onto the cardboard frame. Now we'll spray paint it golden. Now with the help of the tissue, we will dab it on to get rid of some of the gold paint to get the brass effect. Now we are taking the bottom of a tin can and spraying it golden. This will be the holder of the candle. Now we'll be sticking the black cutout saying "Welcome Home" onto it. Now we will also be sticking the origami butterflies. Make sure to not stick any origami butterflies near the holder as they are flammable. And the DIY is completed. It looks so beautiful. Now let's see how does it look in the dark. Lights off. Wow, it looks spectacular, especially the reflecting effect of the foil. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.